Have you ever wondered what separates millionaires from everyone else? It's not just about luck or inheritance. There's a hidden formula, a set of principles that many successful people follow. Today, we're explaining it simply. First, it all starts with your mindset. You need a burning desire and an unshakable belief that you can achieve wealth. But desire alone isn't enough. You must be willing to work extremely hard and prioritize your financial goals above other things. The second part of the formula is strategy. Millionaires often have multiple streams of income. This could be from a business, investments in stocks or real estate, or even interest from savings. They set clear, specific financial goals and create a roadmap to reach them. A crucial step is to eliminate debt as quickly as possible, as debt holds you back from building wealth. Finally, your environment is more powerful than you think. Surround yourself with people who are productive, ambitious, and aligned with your goals. Their habits and mindset will rub off on you. Your income is often the average of your 5 closest friends. So the hidden formula? It's a powerful combination of a relentless mindset, a smart multi-stream strategy, and an environment that fuels your growth. It's not magic, it's a formula you can start applying today. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? What if I told you that for most people who make it, it's not about a winning lottery ticket or a surprise inheritance? It's about a formula. A hidden formula that anyone, including you, can start using today. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll break down this exact formula, step by step. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. This is the real, sustainable path to wealth. So what's the first step in this secret formula? It's deceptively simple. Change your mindset. You see, wealthy people don't just think differently. They view money as a tool, not just something to be spent. They don't see a paycheck as a limit. They see it as a starting seed. The first mental shift is to stop trading your time for money and start making your money work for you. This means moving from a consumer mindset to an investor mindset. Every dollar you have is a potential employee. Your job is to put those dollars to work in places where they can grow and generate more dollars, even while you sleep. Think about it. Instead of buying that latest gadget that will be worthless in 2 years, what if you invested that same amount into an asset? That's the millionaire mindset in action. This leads us to the second crucial part of the formula. Create a significant gap between what you earn and what you spend. This is more than just budgeting. We call this the wealth gap. You can widen this gap in 2 ways. Decrease your spending or increase your income. Or for the fastest results, do both. On the spending side, conduct a ruthless audit of your expenses. Are you paying for subscriptions you don't use? Dining out more than you realize? Every dollar saved is a dollar you can invest, but cutting costs has a limit. The real magic happens when you focus on increasing your income. How do you increase your income? This is where the formula gets exciting. It's about developing high-income skills. These are skills that are in high demand and solve a valuable problem for others. Think digital marketing, coding, sales, or video editing. The beauty of the modern world is that you can learn these skills online, often for free or at a low cost. You don't need another 4-year degree. Dedicate 1 hour a day to learning a high-income skill. Within a year, you could be freelancing, starting a side hustle, or getting a significant promotion at your job. Increasing your income isn't just about working more hours at a low-paying job. It's about increasing your value per hour. Once you've widened your wealth gap and have extra cash flow, you hit the most powerful part of the formula: automated investing. This is where you truly start building wealth. Don't just let that extra money sit in a savings account where inflation will eat it away. You need to invest it. The simplest and most proven way for most people to start is with low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the broader market, like the S&P 500. This isn't about picking individual hot stocks. It's about buying a small piece of the entire economy and letting the power of compound interest do its work over time. Let me explain compounding. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the 8th wonder of the world. Here's why. When you invest, your money earns returns. The next year, you earn returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the returns from the previous year. It creates a snowball effect. In the beginning, it feels slow. Your first $100 might only make a few dollars. But over 10, 20, 30 years, that snowball grows into an avalanche of wealth. The key is to be consistent. Set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your investment account every single month, no matter what the market is doing. Automate it so you don't have to think about it. This removes emotion and builds an unstoppable habit. Now, a lot of people get stuck here. They're afraid of the stock market. They hear stories of crashes and people losing everything. But here's the historical truth. While the market has short-term volatility, over the long term, it has consistently gone up. The biggest risk isn't being in the market. It's being out of it. The key is time. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to recover from downturns and ride the waves of growth. Don't try to time the market. The formula is about time in the market, not timing the market. Keep investing consistently, and let time be your greatest ally. The next component of the millionaire formula is to build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single paycheck from a 9-to-5 job is risky. What if you get laid off? Your income drops to zero overnight. Millionaires, on the other hand, build resilience by creating several income streams. Your primary job is one stream. Your investments are a second stream, dividends and capital gains. Your side hustle, based on that high-income skill you learned, becomes a third. Maybe you start a small e-commerce store, a YouTube channel, or a consulting business. Even if each additional stream is small at first, they add up. They provide a safety net and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Start small. Find one extra way to make $500 a month. Then another. The final piece of the formula, and perhaps the one most overlooked, is patience and discipline. This isn't a get-rich-overnight plan. This is a get-rich-for-sure plan. It requires you to delay gratification. It means choosing to invest your bonus instead of buying a new car. It means staying the course when the market is down and your friends are panicking. It means dedicating time to learning and growing even when you're tired. Wealth isn't built in a day. It's built daily. Every small, smart decision you make, saving an extra dollar, learning for an hour, investing consistently, is a brick in the foundation of your future wealth. So let's recap the hidden formula. 1. Adopt a millionaire mindset. See money as a tool for growth. 2. Create a massive wealth gap by increasing your income and controlling your spending. 3. Use that gap to consistently and automatically invest in appreciating assets like low-cost index funds. 4. Build multiple streams of income to create financial security. And 5. Practice unwavering patience and discipline. This is the formula. It's not flashy, it's not a secret stock tip, but it is a proven path that has created more millionaires than any other method in history. The journey starts now. It starts with your next financial decision. You have the formula. The only variable left is you. Will you apply it? Start today, start small, but most importantly, start. Thank you so much for watching. If this video gave you a clear roadmap, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building real, sustainable wealth. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Which step are you going to start with first? See you in the next video.